not ever intended to be all alone in the fight. We were made with a need. Our hearts are weak, but in Him we've got His power. Strengthens my heart. I'm never alone, not on my own, for the Lord is the strength of my life. God's word is all that I need. I know in Him what I have. Mercy and grace is abundant. He gives me the courage I lack, because greater is He that is in me than is He who's in this world. The strength of my life, my Lord supplies. He builds up and strengthens my heart. I'm never alone, not on my own, for the Lord is the strength of my life. Taking the time to think over all of the things I have done, but without Jesus behind me, I don't think I could have done one.